Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and in today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to color dark, luminous skin using the Color Therapy app. Contouring the face with warm highlights and shadows and using the smear tool is the best way to achieve this look. In this lesson, I'll focus on blending the skin on the face only, so please refer to my other tutorials on coloring lips, eyes, and more on YouTube. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. So I'm going to start off with finding a reference that's similar to my image. So you can see here, the model has really bright, harsh highlights and lowlights, and they're very warm, so we have tones of red, orange, white, and brown. So let's choose our colors. So it's good to choose a variety of tones and shades. So I'm going to use the Hair Shades palette under Basic, set that to Solid, and I'll just choose the first 3 on the top row. And on the second row, I'll choose the second and third one, and then maybe like the 9th or 10th color as well. So now I have a spectrum of dark brown all the way to a cream color. So first I'll tap in my base color. So I'm going to use this base brown, and I'm going to just tap to fill in the entire image. The reason why I'm doing this is because once I use the smear tool, it might pull color from other areas, and I don't want that to happen yet. In the manual mode, select Airbrush and set the opacity to 50, as well as the size. I'm going to use a dark brown first and work on my shadows. So I'm using my reference, and I see that there's a dark shadow where the cheekbone is, comes down to the jaw right there, and up at the top where the forehead is. And the right side of the face is a bit dark, and across the eye, and a little bit on the nose. So what I'm doing is just building up my shadows and highlights first. Next, I'll use that lighter reddish orange. I'm just adding it in, and that really brings some life and color to the face. And then I'll switch over to a lighter brown tan color and start working on my highlights. So from the reference, you can see that the highlights are going to be on the cheekbone, where the eyebrow is, on the left side of the jaw, and on the left side of the chin, and then on the tip of the nose. And then at this point, you can lower the size a little bit, and now it's really up to you to decide which size and opacity to use. You just need to continue to contour and build up those layers. And as you're going, use the smear tool and just blend those in so it's really nice and smooth. So this is sort of a process of adding and taking away layers until you get it right. For detail highlights and shadows, such as on the nose, you want to lower the size to about 14. And then you can go even further down to about 7% and continue adding in your shadows. So you'll have a darker shadow right above the eye and directly underneath the eye as well. And the upper lip is always a little bit darker, as well as right underneath the bottom lip. Once you feel fully satisfied with how the skin is contoured, then you can add in all the details such as the lips, the eyebrow, the eyes, and the eyelashes. Here's the finished version with the lines removed and the details added. You can apply these steps to give any skin tone a luminous shine by using bright but soft highlights. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.